Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel GDC Classes English. In today's session we are going to deal with the another topic of human anatomy and physiology, and the topic is cardiovascular system. This topic consists of the questions that is based on the latest syllabus of MRB pharmacist exam. So let's start our question with first question, that is, which of the following is not a function of circulatory system? Circulatory system comprises of your blood, that will maintain the homeostasis condition in your body. It will maintain the equilibrium state of your body by balancing the level of oxygen, by balancing the amount of RBCs, by balancing the temperature. Next we have transport of gases. Your blood is responsible for the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout your body, and blood comes under your circulatory system. Next we have temperature regulation. The blood flows at a minimum pressure or at a minimum flow, which exerts some amount of pressure on your blood walls, blood capillary walls. That creates some amount of friction which produces a heat that maintains temperature of your body. So, urea formation is the process conducted by your kidney. That is not a part of your circulatory system. So, here the correct answer will be urea formation. It is not a part of your circulatory system. Okay, next question. Which of these is not included in the vascular system? Vascular means vessels. Clear? So, the system containing vessels is your vascular system. Your heart has vessels in which the blood flows. Blood vessels itself is a part of your vascular system. Your blood flows at or through your blood vessels. So, that is also a part of vascular system, but lungs doesn't have such kind of vessels. So, your lungs is not a part of your vascular system. That is a part of your respiratory system. Clear? Next question. Okay, so till now, if you have not joined the free batches of MRB pharmacist that is provided on GDC Classes app, you have to download the app. Then at the plus icon, you click at the plus icon and you have to enter the batch code MRB25, and you will get access to free test series provided only by GDC Classes app and every day. Okay, next question. What is the covering of heart known as? See, our heart has a layer that is covered from outside. So, meninges. Meninges is the covering of your brain. Clear? The brain is covered with a layer that is known as meninges. Next we have pleura. Pleura is the layer which covers your lungs. Next we have pericardium. Pericardium. See, cardium means your heart. Cardium word is related to your heart. So, pericardium means the layer that protects your heart by giving its outer covering, that is pericardium, and peritoneum is related to your stomach. Clear? So, what will be the correct answer? That is pericardium. Okay. Next question. What is the opening between the right auricle and the right ventricle called? See, this is your heart. These are the four chambers. This is right auricle. This is right ventricle. Left auricle. Left ventricle. So, the question is the opening between the right auricle and right ventricle. It means this opening. This opening contains which of the following valves? That is aortic, bicuspid, tricuspid or pulmonary valve. So, let me tell you, the right portion comprises of tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. And the left portion comprises of mitral valve. Clear? So, if you want to remember in an easy way, from right, you can just see the second word of tricuspid, that is R. So, this R stands for your right side. Clear? So, what will be the correct answer? That is tricuspid valve. Clear? Okay. Next question. Blood passes from the left atrium and the left ventricle through which valve? Okay, the same question. The blood will pass from left atrium to left ventricle is your mitral valve, or it is a second name by which we known it as, that is bicuspid valve. Another name for mitral valve is bicuspid valve. Clear? Next question. What is the location of sinoatrial node? What is the location of sinoatrial node? This SA node is responsible to create or generate the electrical impulses that is important for your heart to conduct or to pump blood throughout your body. So this SA node is present at the right side and the upper part of your auricle. Clear? Upper part of your atriums. Clear? So the correct answer is right upper corner of right atrium. There we have the SA node. Next question. Which of these is known as the pacemaker of heart? What is the function of pacemaker? In real life, if we see, if some person's heart is not able to produce the equal amount of electrical impulses that your heart needs to pump the blood, then the doctor suggests and advises to place a pacemaker for a particular person on his heart. Clear? So here the SA node, this SA node is known as the pacemaker. You can understand, maker, that is making something. This pacemaker is making or generating your electrical impulses, and the function of sinoatrial node is the same as your pacemaker. Clear? So pacemaker of your heart is SA node. Which of the following has the thickest wall? Okay, we have 4 chambers. One is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Let me tell you, the left ventricle has the thickest wall because it needs a lots of impulses, it needs a lot of energy to pump the blood throughout your body. Clear? The left ventricle has the load to pump the blood to complete body parts. So, the left ventricle has the thickest valve. Clear? Okay, next question. Blood enters into the heart because of, see, your ventricle parts. This is your heart. These both are the atrium and these both are the ventricles. Question is, blood enters into the heart. See, your ventricles are responsible to pump the blood. Your ventricles are responsible to pump the blood out of the heart, and always these atrium receives the blood from outside of the heart. Both have the difference. Atrium always receives the blood and ventricles always pump the blood. Clear? So your blood enters into the heart the very first time. When your blood enters, atrial relax, ventricles contract, ventricles relax and atria contract. If the atrium gets contraction, then what will happen? The blood present over this atrium will just pass into the ventricles. So this is not the correct answer. The correct answer will be atrium relaxation. When your atrium will relax, then only the blood can start filling into your heart. Clear? So correct answer is your atria relax. Clear? Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the bottom chamber of left side of your heart? See, bottom chamber of left side of your heart. This is your heart. This is right atrium. This is left atrium. This is right ventricle and left ventricle. Question is the bottom chamber of left side of your heart. This is the bottom chamber and this is the left side of your heart. This is your left ventricle, and it has the thickest layer of the wall, because it needs to pump the blood outside of the heart, which will circulate the blood to your complete body parts. So what will be the correct answer? That is left ventricle. Okay. Next question. Till now, if you have not purchased the MRB Pharmacist book, let me tell you and let me guide you about these books. These books have same syllabus given by MRB Pharmacist conducting body. This book has the topic wise as well as subject wise distribution of your concepts, and this book have the topic wise and subject wise distribution of your MCQs. So do practice of the theory and revise your concepts by solving objectives. Clear? Another, we have the premium test series for especially for MRB pharmacists based on the latest syllabus. Next, we have already started the live classes for MRB pharmacists only on GDC classes app. Okay. Which of the following part of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood to the pulmonary vein? Okay, very important question. See, this is your heart. And the question says, which of the following part of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood to the pulmonary vein? Pulmonary vein means, pulmonary stands for your lungs. So, first of all, this atrium receives the blood, and after receiving the blood, it passes the blood to your ventricles. Now, your right ventricle will pump the blood to your lungs for purifying the blood to oxygenated blood. Clear? So, your right ventricle is responsible for pumping the blood to your lungs. Clear? Right ventricle is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Heart of heart is, okay, your heart is nothing when it will not get some amount of electrical impulses. It needs the electrical impulses to pump the blood or to beat up. Clear? So, SA node is your heart of your heart. Clear? Next question. What is the approximate duration of a cardiac cycle? Cardiac cycle means pumping of blood from your heart. That means a one beat is known as your cardiac cycle, and your one beat is around 0.8 seconds, and at 1 second your heart completes around 72 beats or 72 cardiac cycles. Clear? 72 times. Okay. So correct answer is 0.8 seconds. Okay. Next question. What is the formula for cardiac output? Cardiac output means stroke volume into heart rate. Your heart rate into stroke volume defines your cardiac output. Clear? Cardiac output is the product of your stroke volume and heart rate. Your stroke volume is the total amount of blood pumped by left ventricle per minute. Clear? And that is your 5 liter per minute blood is pumped by your left ventricle. And how many times does your heart beat per minute? That is 72 times. So when you will multiply these two things, you will get your cardiac output. Next question. In ECG, the depolarization of atria is indicated by, okay, ECG stands for electrocardiogram, and it identifies the ups and downs of your or lub-dub sound of your heart beats. Clear? So, the depolarization of atria is indicated by your P wave. Let me tell you in a graph. See, the P wave defines the atrial depolarization. Your QRS complex defines your ventricular depolarization. T wave defines ventricular repolarization. PR interval. This P and R interval defines atrial depolarization and conduction through AV node. So, the P wave stands for atrial depolarization. Clear? Next question. Oxygenated blood from lungs is carried to heart by, oxygenated blood from lungs is carried by a vein or an artery? So what will be the correct answer? That can be your pulmonary artery or pulmonary vein, because coronary vein is present inside your heart. The veins present inside your heart is coronary veins. Clear? So in the case of your lungs, only, as we know, at normal times the veins carries always the deoxygenated blood, but at a time of lungs it carries the oxygenated blood, that is vice versa. Okay, so oxygenated blood will carry by your pulmonary vein and deoxygenated blood is carried by your pulmonary artery. Clear? Next question. Which layer of the heart is composed of cardiac muscle? Your heart is made up of 3 layers, that is pericardium, the outermost layer, myocardium, the middle layer, and endocardium, the innermost layer. Clear? So your myocardium comprises of your thick muscular vessels or thick muscular layer. Pericardium is the outer covering that provides the protection. Endocardium contains minute blood cells and capillaries. So myocardium contains your thick muscular level. Okay. Next question. Pulse pressure means, okay, this is your pulse. You know that whenever you visit a doctor, first of all your doctor checks your pulse. What does he checks? He checks the difference between your systolic and diastolic pressure, that is your blood pressure. It measures that whether your heart is pumping blood properly or not. That means at 1 minute, if your pulse rate is okay, that should beat up to 72 times per minute. So what the pulse pressure means, that is the difference between your systolic and diastolic pressure. Next question. Contraction of a ventricular chamber is called contraction of your ventricular chambers. That is known as your systole, diastole pulse or cardiac output. So the correct answer is your systole. Now how will you remember that? See, from diastole, from D, you can understand dilation. See, okay. So dilation stage is known as diastolic condition, but the systole is known as the contraction. From S you can understand shrink. Shrink means contraction. So the ventricular contraction is known as your systolic pressure or systole. Okay. Next question. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except, okay, all arteries carry oxygenated blood, but when it comes at a case of lungs, your arteries carries, your pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. Clear? But at the case of your lungs, your pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. Clear? Okay. Next question. Hardening of the arteries due to deposition of cholesterol is known as, nice question. Hardening of your arteries is due to the deposition of your cholesterol, and that condition is known as atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a condition when the fat cells or fat starts to accumulate at your arteries and starts blocking the arteries. That is the condition of your atherosclerosis. Clear? Next question. Which of the following is correct definition for bradycardia? Okay, there are two terms. One is bradycardia and another one is tachycardia. So what is tachycardia? You are going for trekking. Clear? You are going for trekking in mountains. So while trekking up, your heartbeats increases, and that represents the increased heart rate, is known as tachycardia. But bradycardia is the decreased heart rate. Clear? Bradycardia is the decreased heart rate. Okay. Next question. Heartbeat initiates from, okay, heartbeat initiates from your SA node, and that is known as your pacemaker of your heart. First of all, your heart starts to produce the electrical impulses, and that is done by your SA node. Okay. Next question. Dub sound is produced during closure of. Okay, there are two types of sound. One is lub and another is dub. So dub sound is produced when there is the closure of your semilunar valve. And what is this semilunar valve? Semilunar valve contains your pulmonary valve as well as aortic valve. Clear? Okay. So this semilunar valve gives the sound of dub. Next question. Formation of clot in coronary artery is termed as. Okay, formation of clot in coronary artery. Correct answer will be coronary thrombosis. Now what is this? Coronary stands for your heart and coronary artery is present at your heart. So whenever there will be the formation of clot at your coronary artery, we will known it as coronary thrombosis. Clear? Next question. Purkinje fiber are present in. Okay, there are 2 or 3 types of fibers. One is SA node, another is AV node. Next we have bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. Purkinje fiber specifically provides the electrical impulses to your ventricles, and ventricles are the part of your heart. Clear? Okay. Next question. The term cardiac pertains to the. Okay, we know the whenever we will hear the term cardiac, that is related only to your heart. Clear? When we hear the term derma, that is related to your skin. When we will hear the term pulmonary, that is related to your lungs. And when we will hear the term renal, that is related to your kidney. Clear? So correct answer will be your heart. Okay. Next question. What is the approximate stroke volume? Approximate stroke volume. See, the stroke volume is the pumping of blood by the ventricles at a one beat. That is your stroke volume. And at one beat, your heart or your ventricles pumps 70 ml of blood. But at 1 minute, it will pump 5 liters of your blood. Clear? So what will be the correct answer? That is 70 ml of your blood. Next question. Which of these devices is used to hear the heart sound? Okay, whenever we visit the doctors are having the stethoscope, and that stethoscope they use to hear your lub-dub sound of your heart. So what is that known as? That is stethoscope. Clear? Okay. Last question. The cardiac cycle has how many stages? Your cardiac cycle have total 7 phases to complete one cardiac cycle. Clear? You can see one is this from 0.8 to 0.1 seconds, that is AS cycle. Next we have the cycle from 0.1 to 0.2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 stages done by your cardiac cycle. Clear? Okay. So these were the 30 important MCQs that can be asked directly or indirectly on your MRB pharmacist examinations. To do better practice, you can purchase MRB Pharmacist Objective and Theory book. Also, you can join free online test series provided by GDC only on GDC Classes app. All the best for your preparations.